Stan Jabalisco here from the Nerd Cave, the Black Hills of South Dakota, United States of America. What you're looking at and listening to is a W1AW code practice transmission at 13 words a minute. If you can copy that code, notice what it's showing up on the display there. Gibberish. Now it was 15 words a minute up here where you get readable text. You see that? And then they say end of 15 word a minute text. Right there. See that? End of 15 word a minute text. And then it switched to 13 words a minute. And all you get is this garbage. Why do you suppose that is? Well, it's because they're sending the characters themselves here in the Morse code at 15 words a minute and leaving just a wee bit of extra space in between the characters to slow it down to 13 words a minute. Now, they didn't used to do it that way. They used to send the code according to its standard synchronization. One dot is 1 bit. The space between the dot and a dash is 1 bit. A dash is 3 bits. And the space between characters is 3 bits. However, the way that they do this here is they increase that speed just a little tiny bit, and apparently it's not a whole bit. I mean, it's a fractional part of it's a bit and a fraction or something like that. So this code copying machine can't make sense out of it. I think when they get down to 10 words a minute, then you're going to see regular characters come out with extra spaces in between them, but you'll still be able to read it. So I always thought it was sounded just a little bit unnatural to me to do the 13 word a minute text like this. Back in the olden days when I took my general class license in 1967 and had to copy 13 words a minute, the ARRL and the FCC both provided standard synchronized code at 13 words a minute, meaning they sent the characters at 13 words a minute with the proper spacing in between them. So this always threw me a little bit. I mean, I can copy it, but the machine can't. It sounds unnatural to me, but I can still make sense of it. It evidently sounds unnatural to that machine too. But that machine evidently isn't as good at copying code as I am. At least not at this speed. Faster speeds maybe though. Stan Jabalisco signing off. Till next time. Proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV Whiskey 1. Good vibrations. 73. And so long.